It's a good afternoon here in Uganda, Africa. We have this recipe, very nutritious, a healthy juice. We have here our tamarind, there is pineapple, we have ginger. Those are a few ingredients which we are going to use. Stay tuned and watch this video until the end. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome. The returning ones, we really appreciate. Continue supporting the channel by viewing and subscribing, liking, sharing our video with others. We have a lot. The channel is all about cooking. So stay tuned. Let's prepare our nutritious and healthy juice. This is tamarind. We are going to add water, then we will be soaking our tamarind. We are going to blend our ginger and our pineapple and ginger together. Then after we'll be adding the pineapple to tamarind. So stay tuned. A very nutritious healthy juice of the day. So we are going to leave it for some minutes, then we will be removing it from water. This is our pineapple. Ginger. Stay tuned. Let's blend our juice. is our pineapple juice, as our tamarind is also here. Let's prepare our nutritious juice of the day. So as you can see, this is our tamarind juice. We will be adding tamarind to our pineapple juice. Let's make our nutritious juice of the day. Going to boil our tamarind. Then after boiling is when we will be adding it to our pineapple. The reason why I'm boiling it, I want it to be preserved. So this one you can keep it for 2 days when it's still. Okay, so let's boil it first, then after I will be showing you another process of processing our tamarind and pineapple juice. So our juice, they are cooking. It's cooking well. So that's the method of preserving our tamarind and pineapple juice. So after cooking it, you can keep it for around 2 to 3 days. So let's organize our juice. We've added sugar. Then we are going to add it to our pineapple juice. So stay tuned. Let it cool. Then I'll be showing you another process of preparing tamarind pineapple juice. Stay tuned. This is our tamarind. Let's mix our juice. Tamarind and pineapple. So we are going to put it in our freezer. Then after we'll be enjoying our juice. Stay tuned. It's a healthy juice, tamarind and pineapple plus ginger.